Hi, I'm Dave from Thomas Jacks and I'll be showing you the new Guide TrackIR 50 high-spec thermal imaging monocular. There are 3 models in the TrackIR range, and if you're looking for a longer focal length for spotting over bigger distances, this IR50 with its 50mm f1.2 lens is the one to choose. Weighing 535 grams, it's fractionally longer than the other 2 lens choices, but it remains nicely balanced, and the intuitive controls used across the range are responsive, operated in either hand, or when mounted on the tripod using the inbuilt tripod socket. The robust coating on the IR range make it drop resistant up to 1 metre and waterproof to an IP66 rating, with the HDMI and USB-C type port protected under here. And fully charged, you'll get up to 5 hours from the 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery. With a native magnification of 3.3 times and 4 times digital zoom, the TrackIR 50 has a maximum total magnification of 13.2 times. That gives you a field of view of 7.8 degrees and achieves a man-sized detection range of an impressive 1400 metres. Inside, the 400 by 300 pixel sub 50 millikelvin sensor has a pixel pitch of 17 microns. That's standard across all the new TrackIR models, and that's viewed through a 1280 by 960 pixel HD Lycos display that you'll also find in the TrackIR Professional range. Through the viewfinder, you've got a choice of colour palettes and modes that include picture-in-picture and stadiometric rangefinding, and as well as being able to store and record your images in the inbuilt 16GB of memory, everything can be viewed and shared in real time on your phone via the dedicated Wi-Fi app or securely via the HDMI. The Guide TrackIR offers high-end performance with intuitive controls and silent use, with lens options that make it great for an extensive range of thermal imaging applications. If you'd like to find out more about this TrackIR model, other Guide thermal imaging monoculars, or a wider range of products, visit thomasjacks.co.uk, or for more videos like this one, click subscribe. I'm Dave at Thomas Jacks and this is the Guide TrackIR 50. Thank you for watching.